I'm Lindsay Mama O'Neill, and I am here today with Melissa Cookston, the winningest woman in barbecue. Hi, Melissa.
Hello.
Today, Melissa and I are going to be making a smoke-grilled Aussie rack of lamb with a Cactus Pear barbecue sauce. Ooh, yeah.
We're gonna start with the chipotle powder, ancho chili powder, smoked paprika, kosher salt, coarse ground black pepper, ground coriander, cumin, granulated garlic, onion powder, and last but not least, dried oregano. And we're just gonna mix that up. Oh, and the smell that you get from this is heavenly. Okay, this is our Aussie lamb, and we are gonna start by putting just a little bit of Dijon mustard on the bone side here. Now these are very lean, so I don't want to do a whole lot of trim work to these. And most of this fat is going to render off. So we're going to take our seasoning, put a very liberal amount on there, getting mostly where this chop is at the top of the bones here, because that's really where we want to get our flavor in. Don't ever be afraid of flavor. So I'm just going to take a piece of foil and wrap these bones nice and tight. And that way, the fat will render, but the bones will stay nice and pretty.
We're cooking the rack of lamb.
Yes, ma'am. So this is our gateway drum smoker. We're gonna roll at about 300 degrees. And if you'll just take that top,
Put this right on.
put it right on, and I'll give it a shove. We'll make sure that we have great ventilation here, on the sides, and we're good to go, and it won't take this rack of lamb very long at all. The way this works is indirect.
Okay.
So we're gonna take this top off, let that heat really skyrocket up so we can finish this rack of lamb off at a higher sear. So basically we're kind of reverse searing a little bit.
Love it.
Yeah. Okay, for the smoke grilled Aussie rack of lamb, I'm making the Cactus Pear barbecue sauce. You can use any of your favorite barbecue sauce. Mine just happens to be mine, Memphis barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna use the spicy, just to give it a little kick, you know? So we're gonna start with the spicy barbecue sauce, some Cactus Pear syrup. Now this sweetens it up just a little bit, but I will tell you, it gives it some great color. So we're gonna go ahead and glaze with our Cactus Pear barbecue sauce. And you can see that beautiful coloration that this glaze gives these lamb chops. Now the great thing about this gateway drum, now that we have this lid off, you're gonna see the flame that we're gonna get in the bottom. So it's just gonna increase in temperature, which helps set this sauce. I'm gonna remove this aluminum foil just to show you how we took care of these bones and how nice and pretty they are.
They are gorgeous.
Because we covered them up. I tell you, the quality of this meat really is unparalleled. I could tell when I opened the package that it was going to be great.
For this and more recipes, please visit melissacookston.com, and please follow Melissa at melissa.cookston on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.